guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a huge SSS haul, that is street style store haul. So this is not a sponsored video. I love shopping from SSS and that's why I have so many clothes lined up here to show you guys. Along with that, I will show you footwears too, which I got from SSS. And so basically when I had planned to do this video, I had shared a question tag on my Instagram asking if you guys have any doubts regarding SSS, you can ask me. So I will clear that too. And which reminds me, I'm going to shamelessly promote my Instagram here somewhere. So yeah, once done that, check out my Instagram. If you like it, give it a follow. If not, it's completely fine. And now let's go to the video. Okay, so let's start. So SSS has a wide variety of range. You get tops, you get amazing bottoms, you get shirts, you get even dresses. So we'll start with shirts. So the first shirt was this one. So when I first saw this, I got that वो Pinterest में एकदम aesthetic outfits होते हैं ना, so I got that vibe and I was like I can style it that way, and this is so good. So about the material, it is a little see-through, थोड़ा सा, but then overall it's good. And this was in the range 5 for 9.99. So SSS बहुत rarely ये sale निकालता है where you get 5 clothing items for 9.99. So this was one of that. And I did style this in a proper aesthetic outfit. If I get a picture, I'm going to add it somewhere here. Okay, so let's move forward. And next one is again a shirt, which is this one. So this was again in the category of 5 for 9.99, and iska kapda is really good for the price. I mean, if you're paying 5 for 9.99, it's 200 per, and 200 for this is really good. This is like black and white checks are always in trend when you are like, you know, very casual but acha lag raha hai, just put this. You can even use it as a layering, like if you don't want to use it as a shirt, इसे layer भी कर सकते हैं. So even this is nice, and even I have styled this in a very nice outfit. I will add the picture. I just hope I find all these pictures in my gallery. So let's move forward. So before that, a lot of you have doubts about the delivery of SSS. So yeah, delivery takes time. It takes like around 20 to 30 days, not less than 20 days for sure. And if you are lucky enough, you will get it on your 20th day. But that's because it depends on the availability. Like जो size आप order करते हो, अगर वो available है तो जल्दी ship हो जाता है, नहीं तो नहीं. But you will receive your order for sure. And about the price, as I told, one is 5.99. There is one more, like 3 for 9.99, 3 for 7.99 for clothes. And compared to the price, the quality is really good. So now let's move forward to the tops. So the first top is one of my favorite, is this one. So the color just reminds me of Rapunzel, and it has like balloon sleeves and smoke effect in the main thing. And again, like this is how it goes. So you can even wear it like off shoulder or like a normal top with balloon sleeves, and this looks so good. I mean, once you wear it, you don't have to do anything to, you know, give a glam look to your outfit. This top is enough for that. So this one was in the category of 3 for 9.99, and now if I'm not wrong, they have made it as 3 for 1,200, like 1,200 with 3. The category of 3.99 is no more there, but when I got it, it was for 3.99, and this is how it looks. Moving forward, I'm keeping this haul very short because there's so many clothes to show. So the next one is this, and I love the detailing they've given here. This just glams the look so much. You can just pair it with your baggy pants, and when I was buying this, I was not sure. I thought I'll wear it to college, but then I didn't know कि वो इतना it'll be a crop top because picture में clear नहीं था. But when I received it, this has become my favorite, and I think I've worn it so many times. I'm still gonna wear it because I love this top. And this was I think I've told it was again for 3.99 वाला category. And then this top, I think this top became viral. ये मैं सबके पास ये टॉप देख रही हूँ, this floral top with detailings here, smooth detailings here, and this details here with this deep neck, and this looks so classy. ये Instagram में मैंने सबके पास देखा है. This was again for 3.99, and it is so good. And I don't know, I mean, I'm not even shocked that everybody's buying this because this top is so beautiful. Floral look, it is like, and it's evergreen. Florals are evergreen. You can wear it anytime. This is the third one. Then there is this one summer vibe top, like isko dekh ke beach vibes aate, bohemian vibes. This was for 5 for 9.99, and one thing, I'm not that satisfied with this one because firstly इट इज़ एक्सेस, तब भी इतना मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा लूज़ है ये। एंड इसका मटेरियल भी थोड़ा ऐसा लग रहा है कि इट विल फेड ईजिली एंड फट भी सकता है थोड़ा, मुझे वो लग रहा है. सो आई एम नॉट दैट हैप्पी विद दिस वन, बट देन स्टिल दिस वाज फ्रॉम 599. सो वन मोर थिंग, वन टिप, if you are buying for the first time, don't go for the category of 5 for 999 because उसमें it's sometimes होता है कि the quality you get is not up to the mark. So just when you're buying for the first time, go for 3 for 799 or 3 for 1200. Moving forward, this top was one disappointment. This was from the category 5 for 999. So I don't know what this is. It had to be a nice white top which you can wear with high waist blue jeans or anything. But this is what arrived. This is so loose, extra small है तब भी. This is so loose for me and like there is no structure to this top at all. I tried wearing it. It was very loose. इसके sleeves गिर रहे थे. So this was one disappointment for me for sure. Shipping charges are $100 for whatever you order. With that, COD is available, but you have to pay extra for COD. So if you are not sure if you will get your delivery or not, you can keep it for COD and check. Now there's one thing which I ordered from SSS, which I was shocked to see कि SSS ये भी रखता है. So this was a night suit. So this is how the night suit looks. It's a pair of two. This is the shorts and this is the top. So one thing, आई डोंट नो इफ यू गाइस कैन सी, बट जब मुझे मिला था इधर एक मार्क था, अभी भी हल्का सा है, कैमरा में आई डोंट थिंक दिख रहा है, मार्क नहीं कुछ लिखा हुआ था पेन से. एंड आई वाज लाइक आई डिडंट थिंक कि वो वॉश के बाद चला जाएगा, बट एक्चुअली चला गया. एंड दिस वाज अगेन, दिस नाइट सूट वाज आल्सो अगेन इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ 5 for 999. And overall 200 पे I'm getting this cute night suit, so I am happy, though there was a mark as I told, but wash के बाद वो चला गया. So I'm happy with this too. Okay, moving forward, there was one question which was very interesting. It was like, is SSS a replacement for Shein? Now Shein, I think every girl still misses Shein, but I will not say SSS is a replacement. But if you're finding things which are like budget me, good quality, and you're someone who doesn't like to spend much but like want good collection of clothes, try SSS for sure. But then having said that, I will not say it's a replacement for Shein, but it's good enough to shop. Now moving forward to the bottoms. So first one is my favorite, these blue navy blue, and this is the detailing here. This is crepe thoda, but abhi ke weather mein if you wear this, ye bahut stick karega because this is how the material is. But still I have worn it so many times, and I even paired it up once with a shirt, and I just put a dark blue pearl wale neck piece. It came out so good, that look. And this was again for the category of 3 for 999 that time. Now I don't think I didn't see this on SSS available, and if I find these clothes ka links, I will link them down if you want to get the same thing. So this was one of the bottoms, and this is my favorite one amongst everything. And there's one more which is my favorite, which is typical street style pants like this one. So I went for a photo shoot wearing this pants, and the pictures came out so good. And I'm even doing a styling video of these pants because I have so many ways to wear this pants. This is, I mean, when I saw this, I was in doubt whether I should buy it or not, whether it looked good on me or not. But and then I was like, ठीक experiment करके देखते हैं, and it came out so well because this is, and इसका material is cotton. This was again 3 for 999 के category पे, and I fell in love with these pants, and I think I'm gonna use these pants forever. Moving forward are these pants. So these are maroon. I love the color of this one. इसमें इधर उतना clear detailing नहीं है जैसे वो दो का था, but the material is chiffon, which is like not that good chiffon. I have not worn this even once, but I am not happy with the material of this particular bottom. वो दो का बहुत अच्छा मटेरियल था, बट इसका उतना अच्छा नहीं है. आई मीन ये बॉडी पे स्टिक करेगा, एंड दिस वेदर विल नॉट एट ऑल सपोर्ट दीज पैंट्स. बट आई लव द कलर ऑफ व्हाट दीज पैंट्स आर. दीज आर रियली गुड व्हेन इट कम्स टू कलर, बट आई एम नॉट सैटिस्फाइड विद द मटेरियल एट ऑल. एंड दिस वाज फॉर 5 for 999. Yeah, but I can maybe if I wear it I'll get to know better, but I'm not satisfied with the material at all. Moving forward, these are the cotton pants. So when I saw it on the website, I was like, okay, this is, ये तो खरीदना ही है. But I just wore it once, and though cotton है, I don't know if you guys can see, but तो वो bubbles आ गए, and I'm not happy with that because I just worn it once. उसी में ऐसे आ गया. And now I'm just wearing it at home. Though I had so many ways of styling this and making good outfits, but I can't do that because of the material. This was again for 5 for 9.99. So you guys can see जो भी 5 for 9.99 में है उसी में थोड़े problems आ रहे हैं और सब में बहुत अच्छा quality मिला है. So these were the pants. So we're done with bottom, and the last let's move on to the last category, which are dresses. This has a huge collection of dresses which are really beautiful. I have just ordered one, which is this plain black dress. I mean, if you guys know me, I already have a black dress, but then I wanted one more. And when I saw iska picture on the site, I had seen Jennifer Aniston wearing a very similar dress in one of her movies, and that was my main reason to order the dress. But the thing I've received is nothing like what it was shown in the picture. But still, I'm not complaining, because this was again for 3 for 9.99, and usme if I'm getting a dress, I mean, I shouldn't complain. Quality is also good. It's just that it doesn't match the picture at all. I'll put the picture if I get here. And this is like a black short dress, which is very cute, party wear kahin pe bhi pehne, but it's very plain, बहुत simple. You have to accessorize and do something, and this is how it is. So with this we are done with the clothes haul, and I have 2 footwears which I got. Let's go to that. So when I actually found out about SSS, it was way back, I guess 2 years back. Tab I used to buy a lot of footwears from SSS. I used to not buy clothes at all. I started buying clothes, I guess, after lockdown. Yeah, after lockdown. So this time I just bought 2 pair of footwears. One is these black block heels, which are really nice. This is how they are. So उस समय पहले उधर एक category था 2 for 1,000 में heels. So this black one was the first thing I got, and I am very happy with the quality, because I just paid 500 for black heels that are black, that are block. So I cannot complain, and these are worth it. Like there is nothing to complain, and I've worn them so many times because like they're my go. These are blocked heels. Like I guess it's just 1 inch. And इसमें ये जो shiny part है ये इतना सुंदर लगता है when you wear. These are my favorite. I wear them every alternate days. If not alternate, 2 days, 3 days में once I have to wear these. They are my favorite. And इसलिए थोड़ा condition खराब हो गया because I've worn them so many times. So that's it. We come to the end of the haul video. So with this we come to the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope this video was helpful for you guys to decide if you want to shop from SSS or not. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more such videos, and I'll see you next time with a new one. Till then, bye.